a brood. This side's still being capped, but that right there.
It really is beautiful. Come on, keep going. Rib Tony.
So there's eggs and larvae down in the ones that's not capped.
Good, good.
What is their deal with their wonky comb? I'm tempted to take off their thick. Yeah, I'm taking off their honey.
Don't do that, you're gonna drown them.
Oh, that's done. They'll clean it up. I didn't realize that much was pouring out as I was scraping it.
Yeah, well, you still got it draining.
Off of here?
Yeah. Good grief.
I'm not taking this one out because they did do a bunch of correctly, but
Just want to smear it on it?
well, I'm smearing the honey that's on it. Yeah, that ain't working with that. Well,
Ladies.
y'all losing this one too.
I brought an extra.
Where did the other wonky one go?
I don't know. Right here.
Bunch of young eggs.
So the queen might be...
Yeah, queen could be nearby. That one was a brood frame. Still got brood on it, but everything that they've emptied has gotten nectar put in it. Oh, they propylized that in there pretty good. Come on.